Okay, so for the first method, sure to check your internet connectivity. So go to your Windows bar, go to the Wi-Fi icon, just click it. Make sure you are connected successfully to your internet provider. To check your internet, just go to your browser, search for any link you want, for example, internet speed. And if you are facing trouble connecting, you will obviously find out. If this is not the problem, okay, now so for the second method, go to the Windows bar, right click and then go to Task Manager, search for Outlook, just select it and right click, click End Task. By that any bugs or errors should be gone. Try to open Outlook again and should be good to go. For the third method, go to the search bar, search for Control Panel, go to Programs, after that select Programs and Features, search for Outlook. Select any program you want and then click M on the keyboard. Search for Microsoft 365, right click, click on change, click yes. After that make sure to select quick repair and then click repair. If the problem still occurs and not fixed, all you have to do for the last method is go to the search bar, go to installed applications, search for Outlook. Once you find it, select these three dots, click on advanced options, scroll down, make sure to select terminate and make sure to try selecting repair. After that, try this option, which is the reset, which will delete the data. And for the last method, make sure to uninstall the app and reinstall it again, and your problem should be fixed. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to subscribe and see you on the next one.